Resources, Government of Bangladesh. All Excellencies, all His Excellencies, my entire team from the Ministry of NEA, respected journalists from various media. Ladies and gentlemen, it is with great pleasure and honor that I welcome you to this historical ceremony for the signing of the tripartite power sharing agreement enabling the export of hydropower from Nepal to Bangladesh by the Indian grids. This marks a significant milestone as Nepal will, for the first time, export its hydropower to third country. This achievement is the convenience of our persistent efforts since 2018, when Nepal and Bangladesh signed a MOU on power sector cooperation, and following 6 successful meetings of the Joint Working Group and Joint Steering Committee. I extended my heartfelt congratulations to the new interim government of Bangladesh and its people, wishing them success in their reform agenda. Their commitment to democratic principle and fair election resonates deeply with our shared valuable perspectives, strong ties since our diplomatic relations began in 1972. I would also like to express my condolence in the families and affected by the recent political unrest in Bangladesh. My thoughts are well in deceased and injured depend their challenging it. I believe today's events signify a step forward, normalization and social economic recovery. Today is established roasted robust foundation of first and collaborations among the BBIN nation as power generated in Nepal will reach Bangladesh through cross-border transmission links. I express my significant gratitude to the Government of India for its unwavering support in facilitating this initiative, and I acknowledge in contribution of former Prime Minister, Right Honorable Mr. Sher Bahadur Deuba to Nepal and Its Excellency Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi of India, who joint vision statement on power sector cooperation has been instrumental. I also recall the recent meeting between Right Honorable Prime Minister Mr. K.P. Sharma Oli of Nepal and His Excellency Chief Advisor Professor Muhammad Yunus of Bangladesh, where they emphasize the need for enhanced economic cooperation and energy trade. This dialogue has culminated in today's signing transition. Our power trade from bilateral to trilateral on Asia, South Asia. Nepal is committed to resulting 28,500 megawatt of hydropower by 2035, with 50,000 megawatts market for export our determination to harness our best hydropower potential. As we gather, emphasize the need for a comprehensive approach to energy security and transition. Seamless cross-border power trading is vital, and Nepal is dedicated to advancing sustainable development goals through improved access to efficient and environmentally friendly energy source. Our commitment to clean energy aligns with the Paris Agreement and required a collective approach. While bilateral power trading has long been established in the BBIN region, seamless region trade remaining complex, necessitating a conducive policy format and robust infrastructure. I urge hope public that private sector from our neighboring countries to invest in Nepal hydropower projects. I am estimating that the investing grid infrastructure in the BBIN sub-region with accelerated hydropower development on Nepal once technical and policy barriers are addressed, cross-border market mechanism will thrive. Today, signing of the tri-party agreement heralds a broad multilateral energy partnership with India on board. We can establish a successfully collaborating model in the power sector, ushering in a new year of regional power training. This involving NEA, board, BPD, and NBB and market are significant step forward instant cross-border trading. As well, commence this endeavor with an initial capacity of 40 megawatt under the tri-party power cell agreement. I am reminded that a journey of 100 of miles begins within a single step. I congratulate the Nepali Electricity Authority (NEA), the Bangladesh Power Development Board (BPD), and NTPC, Vidyut Vyapar Nigam (NVVN), for their collaboration in this noble cause of economic cooperation. This initiative will undoubtedly strengthen the friendly relationship among our nations. I look forward to working closely with the governments of India and Bangladesh on achieve our shared goals in the power sectors. Thank you very much for all. Thank you.